Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your iOS version to the latest one. First thing first, you want to go to the settings. Let's click on the settings. Then you want to scroll down to the section that is called General, where is the gear icon. You click on General Settings, and the second option that you have on General Settings will be Software Update. You want to click on Software Update and you will see what is the latest version. Very important, you want to make sure that you have enough storage. As you can see, we are going to upgrade to iOS 17.2 and the required space is 1.3 gigabytes. It's very important to read as well what kind of updates and what you can actually expect. In this particular update, you will see that there will be changes in terms of the camera enhancement and other features. Usually every upgrade from the iOS from the previous version fixes particular issues with the previous one. It is not just giving you something additional to the current version of the iOS, but usually just fixes particular bugs. The second thing that you want to consider after you make sure you have enough space to install the latest version is that you want to make sure that you have enough battery. It's advisable to have your phone plugged in, and it's advisable for you to actually upgrade when you're at home, not when you're outside, because no one knows exactly how long would it take. Usually it will take between 5 to 10 minutes, then the device has to be restarted again, so you will see a lot of these new changes are actually playing out. And sometimes the battery performance is reduced. This is not always the case, but usually you will see the next couple of days, 3 to 5 days, usually people report issues with this, that the battery performance is very low. It's kind of decreased. Some people report that they couldn't go through the half of the day, but usually this is simply until the actual new upgrades adjust with the performance and with the usage of your own device. Subscribe and come back for more.